Hi friends, welcome to Craft Magic. Today let's make a beautiful craft using papers. Here I have taken waste printout papers. You can take old newspapers, magazines or any other papers which you have. You also need color papers to do this craft. I have taken A4 size color papers here. Take a single sheet of paper and place a pencil on one corner of the paper and start rolling the pencil along with the paper. So you will get a paper tube. You have to make two paper tubes. Cut the paper tubes into equal length. Here I have taken 20 cm as length. You also need 3 small paper tubes of size 7 cm. We have to stick the 3 small paper tubes in between the 2 longer ones. So first arrange the small paper tubes equidistant and only after that you should stick them onto the longer paper tubes. Now the center part of the showpiece is ready. Next step is to make a support for this center part. You need 2 more paper tubes to make the support. I have taken paper tubes of size 10 cm. Again you have to make paper coils like this. Take a sheet of paper, fold it into equal half and cut it into 2 pieces. To make a single paper coil, I have taken 3 pieces of paper here. You need thin paper tubes here, so instead of using pencil, I am using a toothpick to roll the paper. Using a pencil or a scissor, you can bend the paper tubes as shown in the video. To make the paper coil, place a pencil at one end of the paper tube and start rolling the paper. So when you are rolling the paper, in between you can apply glue and roll the paper so that you will get a perfect coil. I have taken this type of waste plastic tray in which we used to get eggs. So if you have this, you can use this, or else you can use a newspaper to make pot for the showpiece. Cut out 3 pieces like this and trim the edges to get the perfect shape of a planter. Color these paper coils and the stand using black acrylic paint. Now the paint is almost dry. Again we have to stick the pot and the base part of the pot onto the stand which we have made. To make flowers, I have taken tissue paper here. Fold the tissue paper as I am doing in the video. You have to fold the tissue paper until it's almost 1 centimeter in width, and after that you can make petals for the flower. Cut out the sharp edges of the tissue paper so that you will get a good petal shape. So this is how it looks. You can use toothpick as a stem and stick the tissue papers on the toothpick. Apply glue on the tissue paper and stick the tissue on the toothpick. You have to make more flowers. At first I have used white glue to stick the tissues, but I find it very difficult to stick the tissue using white glue because the tissue is becoming very wet and it's difficult for us to hold since we are making small flowers. So I thought of using hot glue, and while I used hot glue I find it easy to make the flowers. And one thing you have to keep in mind is when you are making the flowers, don't stick the tissue papers too tight onto this toothpick. If you stick it too tight, you won't get the shape of a flower. I have made many flowers here. Now next we have to paint the flowers. I am using acrylic colors to paint the flowers. Make leaves using green color paper. Fold the paper as shown in the video. It should be almost 2 cm in width. Fold the paper twice and make fringes. Unfold the paper and cut it into 2 pieces. Using a scissors, do as shown in the video. This is done to get a curved shape at the tip of the paper. Again, cut the paper into 4 equal pieces. Apply glue at the edge of the paper and roll the paper as shown in the video. I have made many flowers and leaves, so now next step is to arrange them on the stand. I have changed the color of the pot from black to brown because black color was not looking good for the pot. Arrange all the leaves and flowers inside the pots. The length of the stem is too long, so you can cut them into smaller pieces and arrange the flowers. Hope you all liked the video. Thank you for watching.